Step 1. Install the column. Step 2. Install the satellite receiving antenna. Step 3. Connect the power cord. The red positive pole is connected to the positive pole of the battery and relay, and the negative pole is connected to the negative pole of the battery. The power cord runs through the lower edge of the front of the battery and enters the cab. Step 4. Install the tablet. Step 5. Install the 4G antenna. No installation required with our 26 radio base station. Step 6. Connect GNSS cables and routing. Step 7. Connect the power cord. Organize cables and secure them with zip ties to keep the interior clean and beautiful.